Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix mail error. You can see the mail error code as 0 cross 0070490. So here, in order to fix these issues, in order or in connection with your email, you can try to open your mail first. Here, you can update your mail app from Microsoft Store. Here, mail in calendar that installed on your PC. You can update this software. After update this software, and make sure your add account on your PC or Windows 11. Here you can go to the settings and go to the accounts. Here you can sign in with your email account in email and accounts option here. Accounts used by email, calendar, and contacts. So if you're using a Gmail, you can try to sign in your Gmail in here as a default email and accounts. And the final how you can fix the problem is try to running command prompt by run as administrator, and you can type sfc scan now. This is in order to fix a missing file or corrupted files in your system. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.